supine position, bend your legs while keeping your head and shoulders on the floor. Lift your chest slightly and bend it until you almost touch your ankle with your hand. Return to starting position and repeat the movement for the other side. This exercise is one of the most well-known and effective exercises to train the oblique abdominals. The foot-to-foot crunch is very effective in training the lateral band of the abdomen. Thanks to the continued muscle tension and the taut and slightly raised position of the arms and shoulders, which help in balancing the weight and in the correct execution of the exercise.